All right, this is competition meeting number 3. We will be covering a lot of ground this evening. Goals and objectives are listed here with regards to lessons learned from Northern Lights, as well as allowing all team members to be able to explain what took place at Northern Lights and understand the specific updates that will be taking place for the Wisconsin Regional. This is going to be in line with our team goals from the season with regards to allowing all Nicolay team members the ability to perform a necessary skill for competition season and having a competition role by the end of the season. And since some things are going to be updated, this is going to be really critical that we're able to do this. This is the general schedule. We're going to have photography. We're going to have breakout sessions, which I'll discuss in a little bit. And then we're going to have a meeting close. Mentors are going to have a meeting from 7:40 to 9 p.m. So students will be leaving, mentors will be staying, and going over some larger discussions and other pieces, as well as going back over the breakout sessions and making some plans. The bigger piece here is making sure we have a debrief, a good debrief, go day by day. What were we trying to do? What happened? What did we learn? So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we're not the same. So being able to explain that to rookies and going over things is going to be really critical. So for all students who are present at Northern Lights, you need to be able to help people out. For all mentors, you should be able to help facilitate this. And then now what? What are we going to do now for next steps? This improvement plan, you're going to make a copy of this, and then you're going to be sharing that and saving that inside your group. So if you're in scouting or if you're in public relations, this is a general improvement document. So highlight, this is a competition season piece. So highlight that so we know that this is competition season. So for next year, people are going, I know what this was about. We're going to answer the questions. What were we trying to do? What happened? What did we learn? Why? What should we do differently next time because of what we learned? Part 2 of this conversation is going to be what steps and procedures do we need to implement for greater success? We need to slow down. We need to have better written documentation. We need to have better planning. What are those going to be? Break that out. What products do we need to develop now or in the future? So what do we need to fix? What do we need to create? What do we need to do? And then what skills? Maybe we need to make more buttons. Maybe we need to make sure we have judging packets. What skills are we missing that we need to learn? We didn't know how to talk to a judge because we haven't done that yet, but we're going to have to Wisconsin. What will we need to have new team members coming in? We are going to have new team members in all areas. The pit, I guess not competition team, but the pit, scouting, public relations, we're going to be moving some people around, so we want to make sure everybody knows what's going on there. The pit operations, we have pit operations people. We have the mentors that are going to be working with pit operations. We have our pit captains. And then we have our students that are going to be involved. So those are all listed there. We have our scouting people. So they're going to be meeting in the fabrication lab. We have our scouting people. They're going to be meeting in photography. They have some different objectives with regards to upgrading the scouting system. We also may want to look at the fact that we have a number of new analysts that are going to be bringing on. We have some lead scouts still. And then we have a number of scouts that will be coming online as well. One critical piece is I am asking that there be 12 students to scout at a time. So 2 people on each robot. What does that look like? How does that help us make sure that we get all of the times, all the scores, all the locations, all the critical data? Because we need to do this flawlessly for Wisconsin, given the stakes. So we're putting a lot into that so we know what's going on. Judging media and public relations, the mentors, the students, these students will not be asked to do any scouting. For Wisconsin, they have other responsibilities. So that is kind of the wrap up or the plan of deployment with regards to our student meeting during the first part of tonight. If you have any questions, of course, reach out. Thanks. Bye.